going on, beautiful people? This is Alex Warren, the CEO and founder of the 180 movement, right? So with the market being closed, I'm just marking up my charts, as you can see here, to kind of get ahead of next week's trading session, right? It's important to be a student of the game, right? With this platform here, the educational platform, by the way, you have access to endless resources on learning how to invest. So if you're like me and you didn't understand investing and you want to invest in the largest financial market in the world, I want you to plug in to the 180 Vision, comment down below. I look forward to hearing from you guys.